Online learning, the future of education. But it's got a serious problem: low engagement. Educators are in the dark about when someone is truly engaging or simply drifting away. And you can never know who is doing really well and who needs more help. The result? Lower retention rates. With Lens, creating engagement is so easy. You can instantly track when participants drift away during the sessions and check how much each of them have spoken. Increase engagement by creating live polls and quizzes on the go to assess participants as they learn. And gamify your sessions with a real-time leaderboard to keep your participants excited at all times. Just like this. If you are already feeling curious, wait till you see the post-class analytics dashboard. It will redefine the way you track your learner's journey. Ready to make your online sessions a hit?